Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into some of the coolest IKEA finds that are not only stylish, but seriously smart. Whether you're looking to cozy up your home, maximize your space, or just fall in love with a few clever pieces, I've got you covered. Every product I mention will have its link down below in the description. So if something catches your eye, it's super easy to check it out. Let's jump right into it. 1. HÅRSLINGA / MOLNART floor lamp swirl into a world of soft, smoky light with this stunning floor lamp. The spiral LED filament dances inside its gray glass globe, giving your space an irresistible glow. Plus, it moves wherever you need a little magic. Flexible, like your imagination. 2. FRÖSJÖN over the toilet shelf. Let's be honest, nobody's ever said, "Wow, love your bathroom storage," until now. This sleek black shelf hugs your toilet space perfectly, keeping essentials stylishly up and off the floor. It's smart, stable, and a total space saver with a classic twist. 3. DRACAENA Lucky Bamboo Spiral. There's something mesmerizing about this lucky bamboo. It spirals with effortless grace like nature's own sculpture. Easy to care for and hard to ignore, it brings a peaceful green vibe into any room. A little jungle energy, no green thumb required. 4. PERJOHAN Stool with Storage Rustic Charm meets serious function with this pine stool that's ready to hustle. Sit on it, stack on it, stash inside it. It's got your back and your clutter. Plus, that cozy cutout handle just begs to be picked up and moved around. 5. SKÄRLÅNGA Cheese Knife Set Slice, Spread, and Savor. These three knives make every cheese moment an art form. With their clean lines and clever shapes, they're designed for everything from brie to cheddar dreams. Bonus, they make a perfect gift if you can bear to part with them. 6. KNALLA Bag. Big, bold, and always ready to roll, this black and white bag is your new best buddy for hauling anything. Groceries, laundry, you name it. Tough, reusable, and zipped to keep chaos contained. It's basically your organized alter ego in bag form. 7. Billy Bookcase with Desk. This isn't just a bookcase. It's your new corner of calm. Read, work, or create with everything you need right at your fingertips. White, simple, and endlessly adaptable. It's like a clean page just waiting for your next story to unfold. 8. ACKJA / MOLNART Pendant Lamp. Float a wave of cozy ambiance over your table with this sculptural pendant lamp. Its warm, flicker-free glow through grooved glass feels like a slow exhale at the end of a long day. Adjustable, stylish, and a total mood maker. 9. Supportmal cutting board. A board that doubles as your pizza's best runway. Flip it over for cutting, flip it back for serving. The rustic beechwood brings a warm, handmade vibe to every meal. Bonus, it's kind to your knives and made from recycled wood scraps. Tona Bros side table. Cute, durable, and always ready to mingle. This green side table loves both your living room and your balcony. Lightweight enough to follow you around, strong enough to stay by your side through every coffee cup and good book. 11. Bladver potted plant in mug. Small, sweet, and secretly the heart of the room. This tiny potted plant in a mug brings instant charm wherever it sits. It's like a little green wink on your desk or windowsill, always cheering you on. 12. Parklevon Pillowcase Dream on a cloud of cozy checks with this cotton pillowcase. Soft, breathable, and edged with a flirty little frill. It's the kind of bedding that makes you excited to crawl under the covers early and stay there late. 13. Fiskars Resealable Bag Set colorful, cheerful, and ready to hustle. These reusable bags make leftovers, snacks, and fridge stuff look good. They're microwavable, dishwasher safe, and practically shout organized life with every pop of their bright colors. 14. Evar Cabinet Ivar isn't just furniture, it's history. This solid pine cabinet has been a faithful home companion for over 50 years, quietly adapting to your needs while gaining its own timeless character. Paint it, stain it, or let it shine naturally. It's all yours. 15. Loascare coffee table. This beige beauty is more than a table. It's a stealthy storage hero for your outdoor lounging sessions. With a removable tray top and easy clean design, It keeps cushions, covers, and cold drinks right where you need them. Just add sunshine. And that wraps up today's IKEA treasure hunt. I hope you found a few new favorites to inspire your space. Don't forget, all the product links are waiting for you down in the description if you want a closer look or feel ready to grab one for yourself. Thanks so much for hanging out with me. If you enjoyed this, be sure to stick around because there's a lot more to come. See you in the next one.